Hello everyone. My name is Sabine Hüsemann and I work for the Berlin Energy Agency in the Advisory Department for Climate Education. I'm going to give you a little insight into the German business case, which is one of 5 of the EU project InEExS. And our business case focuses on the use of sector integration of solar power and charging stations for electric vehicles, as well as the electrical use in households. Our examined object is a residential complex in Berlin, which consists of 5 buildings with photovoltaic systems on their roofs. And the idea is to increase solar energy utilization during production time. This not only reduces the amount of energy fed into the grid, but it also keeps the renewable energy very effective. So the challenge for business case 1 is to use as much solar energy as possible before it needs to be stored into the grid, where it loses some of its efficiency. And by making sure that all the solar energy that is produced is used directly, there will be a significant contribution to CO2 savings, like saving CO2 emissions. And our idea is to motivate the tenants to adapt their behavior in order to contribute to the usage of more renewable energies, which are included in a lot of national climate-related goals as well. So with the help of a digital application that provides information on energy efficiency, the residents can actively contribute to use more renewable energy and also track this visually. They can also show how even small incentives and good information can change tenants' consumption behavior to protect the environment. So the solution will be implemented for 12 months and hopefully can be continued in use for internal projects and data collection purposes of the Berlin Energy Agency. It is also possible to use this installed technology to facilitate meter reading and billing. And the technologies that are used include smart or digital meters and routers, especially developed app to visualize all data for us as well as for the participants, and also includes the Node-RED smart flows, which will be feeding our information and data into the blockchain technology of the project. And it's also important to mention that all events and data that is collected will only be stored in an aggregated form so that it's in accordance with the data protection guidelines. So, for stakeholders interested in replicating our approach, they should first of all make sure that the respective landlord is willing to implement this idea. It also requires a photovoltaic system and charging stations for electric cars, which are able to provide enough solar energy for charging the electric vehicles, as well as for the daily household use. It furthermore should be ensured that there are a larger number of people and tenants using the electrical charging, as this is like the focus point in the project and approach. And in addition to the eco-friendly component, and another incentive for tenants would be to offer the prospect of a flexible energy tariff in the future. And this way, everyone involved saves on the use of solar energy.